When you hear a home is in a prime location, what does that exactly mean? It can mean different things. It can mean the home is close to amenities, close to a school. This home is an example of a home that's in a prime location because of the lifestyle. This custom-built, executive-style home built by Heinz Albers backs onto a protected forest, and that protected forest actually has the Seine River flowing right through it. This home is 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and again, it's custom-built. It's very special because the owners actually removed the trees themselves before it was being built. When the homeowners designed this home, they wanted to entertain, so that was kept in mind. And the kitchen is the heart of the home. It always is. This massive kitchen island has a granite countertop. We've got a gas stove, huge fridge and freezer, and you've got your wall oven here. It is perfectly designed. One of the things I love about this home are the big windows. Natural light in a custom-built home is so important. Imagine having your coffee here, and this is your view. This basement is huge. It has the 2 bedrooms here as well, and it's got big windows. It's got this wonderful wet bar. Now imagine getting your popcorn ready and getting your snacks ready so that you can have your movie night here. The end of John Bruce Road East is a little cul-de-sac, and in that cul-de-sac is the bridge that goes over the Seine River and also has canoeing and kayaking access. So I'm behind the house where the forest is, and the Seine River flows throughout, and obviously this is the biking path and the walking path available all year round. We saw a lady kayaking here. We saw a couple of geese over there. Remember when I talked about prime location where lifestyle is the main factor? This is a prime location.